because gusto ko lang sabihin na Miss Tracy, Miss Joy, and Miss Annette, you've raised
Race! No, syempre kasi inalagaan nyo nga naman.
We have two
Totoo naman! There's nothing wrong with that! Anak-anakan!
seryoso na talaga. Grabe kasi yung dalawang to. Grabe yung talent nila and what they bring into the table. Grabe. So, again, two beautiful souls, two beautiful boys, two... No, seriously, I'm sure you're very, very proud of them and I see why you put so much trust into the both of them and why you pour so much of your hearts into them. So, yeah, thank you, Dustin and Will, for...
Di pa tapos.
Wala ka pa.
Okay, next.